York streets where killers would walk like Pistol Pete and Pappy Mason. Gave the young boys admiration.
Ever since I put on the first sample, I could tell it was a really comfortable shoe. I really want a good all-around shoe that I want to wear when I'm chilling, skating, working out. That was one of the main concepts of this, and I think we got it down pretty good with it being a Nike free, with it being a light shoe that has a flexible feel, breaks in fast, comfortable. I've always hated skating new shoes ever since I've been a little kid. That would make me skate my shoes for so long. So I told Nike, I was like, dude, I really want a shoe that can break in fast and last as long as possible.
And I gotta make it back home, cause my mama need that bill money, my son needs some milk. These try to take my life, they around, get killed. Rap.